Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are making a very tasty recipe. Hariyali steamed kebab. How delicious this recipe looks. Tell me in the comments. Let's start the recipe. So here are some spices, and these are mentioned: coriander, onion, green chili, garlic, zira, and red chili flakes. Now add all of these spices in a blender. Now blend it. It will look something like this. Then next, you will need 1 kg of chicken and add it in. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and salt according to your taste or salt to taste. Black pepper 1 tablespoon and garam masala 2 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons of milk powder, this is the main ingredient. Next, 1 lemon juice. After all of that, we are going to blend again. And the color will start to turn into green. Something like this. Now it is ready. Let's move on to next step. This is foil paper. Grease your hand with some oil. Take some piece of it and follow the steps as shown. After doing all of that, fold this into the foil paper and make a gap between them. Now one is ready. You can make more like that. Next, boil some water and add the kebab sticks in boiled water. I have made more like this. You can make according to how many you want. Next, bring it to boil and remove. Now open them. It will look something like this once it is steamed. Now remove them slowly from the stick. Once they are removed, cut their edges off. Our final step. Now take a frying pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then one by one add the kebabs. Fry them until they turn golden and brown. Now they are ready. Now make some space between them and take some coal and add between them for a barbecue flavor. Add some oil in the coal and it will start heating. Then cover it with a lid. Now our yummy Hariyali steamed kebabs are ready. Share this recipe with your loved ones so that they can also try out this recipe. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.